So hey friends, welcome to this series on Our Breakups Made in Heaven. And I promise that I will be talking a lot of neuropsychology to ease the pain if you are in my place that you have been going through a breakup with. As I said, multiple types of breakup. You can have a business partner breakup, colleague breakup, friend breakup, loved one breakup, parents breaking up, whatever it is. Well, let me first put it that I can feel your pain. The pain what has been shown to be coming out from an emotional breakup in the relationship where you have invested emotions can be equivalent to literally breaking 4 bones of your body. The science says that you can have that much amount of pain which you can go through. There is a rumination, which means you keep thinking about that event. You keep thinking about that repeated trauma or exposure when you break up with somebody whom you love. Now guys, this is important to understand that when you feel the pain, please accept that yes, it is indeed painful. If you break up a bone and physically you have a plaster out there, people will empathize with you, people will talk to you, people will say, hey, hope you're doing well. But when it is all here, people don't see. But believe me, the amount of the pain that the body, essentially the mind body complex, which has to go through it is quite immense. And essentially science says you can grab an aspirin, you can grab a paracetamol, you can grab any of the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications for few days while you go through this rugged ride of having a heartbreak. So coming back to it again, if you have had one, please don't feel that you're alone. First of all, making and breaking is part of the life. Life is always about attaching and detaching. Life is never static. It's never a path which is linear. It's always about moving on. There will be troughs, there would be peaks, and it is essentially all about having to move through those peaks and troughs with some form of stability. But at the same time, if you do feel down, I am with you and don't worry.